Today I'm going to be reviewing OPPKEPT's beach towel clips. They're clips for a lot of different things. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's open this up and see what we got. All right, when you get them, you're going to get 2 bags of these. You're going to get 8 total clips. So why would you want these clips? They are just plastic. They've got like a nice inside, like a little rubber piece in here. But if you're at the beach, you can put this on your chair and put your towels and clip your towels to this. Laundry outside and hang it. Maybe you're camping, hold a tablecloth down. They're just really nice and convenient. There's really no problems with these. I see that it actually gets 4.6 stars, but it is a frequently returned item. But then I looked at the reviews and I didn't see anything. So I just want to make sure that I manage your expectations. This is what it looks like right there. I don't have any, or I've not had any problems with the OPPKEPT items that they've sent me, and they've sent me a bunch of stuff. I would let you know if there was any issues. These are 3.7 inches across, 2.6 inches there, and it can go as wide as 1.8 inches. It does get 4.6 stars. It only has 50 reviews, and 50 of these were bought last month. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.